So welcome to Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make coffee marble cake with very less ingredients. So let's start. So today we are going to make a very easy cake. For that I am taking maida, all-purpose flour, refined oil, baking baking powder, and powdered sugar. You can just grind the normal sugar in mixer, and coffee powder, instant coffee this is, and vanilla essence and hot water and a mixing bowl. So for the main thing we are taking instant coffee powder 1.5 spoon. For that we'll take 1 big spoon of hot water and make a paste. We have kept the coffee mixture aside. It will be a paste like this. And now we'll take powdered sugar 1.5 cup. This is a big bowl, that's why 1.5 cup, almost 200 grams. This is almost 200 grams of powdered sugar, half cup oil. And now we'll beat it nicely. I have used a mechanical one. You can use normal whiskers also like this. Now we'll just do it. It should be a paste like this. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes. Now we'll add the dry ingredients. For that I've taken maida. That's also almost 300 grams to 400 grams of maida, and baking powder. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder I've put. Now we'll just mix this again and show you. You can see the mixture is very dry, so I will be taking milk. This is half cup of milk. So I'll be adding little by little and whisking it. And we'll put 2 drops of vanilla essence also. Now I've added vanilla essence also. You can see it's very smooth. It should be like this, no lumps. You can use spoon or hand one also, I told you. Now as I told you, it's smooth, and now we'll remove the sides with spoon, which I've done already. Remember that. Now we'll divide this into 2 parts. As you can see, I've divided it into 2 parts. Now I'll add this coffee mixture into this and mix it. So I'm making this cake without oven. So I'm using a kadhai. For that you will take butter, oil or clarified butter and grease it with that. Now as you can see, I've greased it with clarified butter. Now I'll take maida and just dust it over it. So for dusting I've taken 1 tablespoon of maida. Now the best part of the cake is its design. So we'll be trying marble cake. For that we have divided it into 2, brown part and white part. First we'll put 2 teaspoons of white part in middle. Then 2 teaspoons of brown part. So I'll be taking help from my mother. So as you can see, we have taken 1 teaspoon and in the middle we have to put. We'll just spread it evenly because there should be no bubbles in it. So we'll just tap it again. Yeah, you can see that bubbles are coming out, so we have to remove that. Now we'll put the brown one, 2 teaspoons. So this will continue till the end. Again brown, then white. This is kind of layering what we are doing. Yeah, so we'll continue and show you afterwards. So we'll just spread it also. As you can see, it's now even. As you can see, we have done. It will look like this, spirals. And now the main part of this work is left. Let's continue. So for the main thing we need is toothpick. From each end we'll take it to the center like this. You can see a line drawn. Then we have to clean it. Then from each end we have to do that. Like from the opposite side now. to the middle. You can see that lines merging. You can see now from the that side we'll take, and now we'll clean it. Remember to clean it always. That's the main thing. For this you can use any stick or toothpick is the best. Then to the middle. From all sides you have to take it like this. Now we have, like, it's divided into 4 parts. Now from the middle of each 4 parts you have to bring it to the middle. That's like 8 parts you have to cut it. Now cleaning is the most important part of it, because then this design does not come. You can try this. It's a very easy recipe. And now we'll clean it again, and from the upper side, first you have to divide it into 4, then to 8. So remember the steps. Now it's done. So you can see it will look like this. As you can see, now I have kept it on the gas on low flame for 25 minutes. You have to just cover it also. So let's see after 25 minutes. As you can see, it's after 25 minutes. Now we'll just check it whether it's cooked or not. As you can see, this beautiful cake is ready, but we'll check it in middle or on the lines. You can see it's not cooked properly, so we'll keep it for another 10 minutes or 5 minutes and check it again. And always check from middle only, because or else it will just disturb the texture. So as I told you, we'll let it allow to cook it. If when it's cooked, we'll let it to cool, then we'll take it out in a plate properly and show you. And for this repair work, for where we have put the knife and all, you can use Nutella or even milk and cocoa powder mixture. So we'll do something and tell you. As you can see, our coffee marble cake is ready with so less ingredients. And as you can see, I'll just show you, it's so soft and spongy. You can see by touching it itself, and it's perfectly cut into 8 pieces also with that toothpick. Just have to cut it. You should try this, and please share this video as much as possible. Subscribe to Cook with Appu, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.